Here's how to troubleshoot Instagram when it keeps crashing. If you're facing this problem where the Instagram app keeps on crashing, then the first thing you want to do is force stop the application. For that, long press on the Instagram app, then tap on this app info icon. Now, find the option of force stop and tap on it. Here, tap on OK to confirm. Now, scroll down a bit and find the option of storage. Here, find clear cache, tap on that. Once that is done, open Instagram and check if your issue is fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is check for any updates. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and here you want to search Instagram. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. If even after updating the app this issue is not fixed, then you want to check if there is any server issues. For that, open up any web browser. Now you want to search Instagram down or Instagram server and go to any reliable website such as Down Detector. Here you want to check if there is any issue with the Instagram server. If there is, you simply want to wait until they fix this issue. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.